How to fix notifications not showing on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not showing on your iPhone. Stick around till the end because I'm going to walk you through a few different methods depending on what's causing the issue. So first, the most common reason is focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center and check if focus is turned on. If you see Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode like sleep or work, tap on it to turn it off. You can also tap and hold to double check that no other focus modes are accidentally running. Once it's off, try sending yourself a message or alert to see if notifications start working again. If that doesn't fix it, open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Right at the top, you'll see the layout for how your notifications appear. List, stack, or count. Choose what works best for you. Then tap on Show Previews. And set it to Always if you want to see notification previews even when the phone is locked. Now scroll down through the list of apps. If you're not getting notifications from a specific app like Netflix, Instagram, or WhatsApp, tap on that app and make sure the toggle for Allow Notifications is turned on. Also make sure things like Lock Screen, Notification Center, and banners are checked, and you've got a sound selected if you want audio alerts. Still not working. It might just be a software hiccup. So go ahead and do a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo shows up, then let go. That gives your iPhone a quick refresh and can sometimes fix notification glitches. Hopefully that sorted things out for you. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.